Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an error with your USB device that says you need to format the disk and the drive before you can use it. So if you've already backed up all your files on your flash drive or you don't have anything on there, this tutorial will be for you. So just keep in mind there's a very good chance that your files are already gone on this flash drive and we're going to be formatting it, so anything that's saved on there will be deleted. So just keep that in mind. There won't be anything left on your flash drive once we are done with this. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Left click on the start button one time. Type in command prompt. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And now in this elevated command line window, I'm going to have a command in the description of my video that's going to start with CHK, and I want you to copy it from my description, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, left click on edit, and then left click on paste to paste it in, hit enter on your keyboard. If you did have a flash drive hooked up, you'd have to make sure you hooked it up at this point. I don't want to actually format any of my flash drives, but if you did have one hooked up, it would allow you to format the drive. If you ask to perhaps recover the files, you might go ahead and do yes, but it should be pretty straightforward from there. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.